basically, before discuss session, you must know my name is Akshay and I am teaching CCNA, CCNP or CCI courses, clear? Integrated courses you can learn. And I'm also teaching multi-vendor technology also, SD-WAN, automation, firewalls, some security topics also, and some other technology I'm also teaching, clear? So this one is my profile. If you need to verify, if you need to check out, so this website, in this website you can get me on this one, clear? And if you need to connect with my social media account, so you can find out on LinkedIn, clear? So if you write down Akshay CCI, so you can get my this profile, this one.
Okay.
So this one is my social media account. So you can connect me, and if you are getting any question, any doubt, so you can ping me on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, clear? Easily.
Okay.
Any doubt? So this thing is clear. So basically, I am teaching CCNA, CCNP or CCI, but in today's session, we discuss only which one topic? CCNA introduction part. Okay. Basically, we are getting a one vendor first. We are getting a Cisco vendor. We are getting a Juniper, HP, Nokia, Hawaii, and Alcatel. A different types of vendors. This one is my vendors. This vendor providing a devices. Which type of devices we are getting? Router, firewall, switches, access points, IP phone, cameras, SD-WAN devices, clear? Network security devices, storage devices we are also getting, cloud services also we are getting. Now, basically, Cisco will introduce some courses. Which courses? Cisco will introduce courses for L1 engineer, L2 engineer, L3 engineer, L4 engineers. This engineers called a level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. So Cisco will introduce associate course, professional course, expert level course and data centers course. Clear? A means associate, P means professional, E means expert, and D.C means data centers, and S.P means service provider, and SEC means a security. So this courses will provided by a Cisco. Okay, Juniper, HP, Nokia, Hawaii, Alcatel, and XYZ vendors also providing some courses. Clear? But if you learn Cisco course, so you can easily work on other vendor devices. Easily. So basically, for example, if you're having a PC, inside the PC, if you're having a Windows, Windows means operating system we are saying. If you easily work on Windows system, so you can use any other operating system, not a Linux, but other operating system you can easily use. But we are getting a multi-vendor operating system. So same thing on devices. We are getting Cisco devices, other vendor devices. Devices having iOS, and we are working on iOS, CLI or GUI. This iOS we can access in the basis of GUI or CL. Now, basically, before this CCNA enterprise, we are getting a which one syllabus? We are getting CCNA routing and switching. We are getting a security. We are getting voice. We are getting a data centers. Clear? So this CCNA available, but after Cisco changes, we are getting a which one courses? This one is not now available. We are getting a which one course now? CCNA Enterprise. In this CCNA Enterprise, we are getting a book code, or you can say exam code. So book code and exam code are simple. Basically 200 and 300. One is my book code and exam code. This thing is clear? Now, in CCNA Enterprise, we discuss multiple topics. But before learning a CCNA Enterprise, must be complete your basic fundamentals. Basic fundamental means if you're working as a network engineer, or if you're planning working as a network engineer, must be learn 5 things. Which one things, dear? Which one is 5 things? First, you need to learn OSI model. OSI model will provide a data structure, layer informations, how data traffic will be generated, and which type of information will be added inside your data. Because end of the day, this laptop user sending some data via internet, via LAN cable, via network cable. So that is the reason we discuss OSI model. OSI model will help to communicate two different vendor devices, and also discuss header information. Header means, for example, this one is guy and this guy name is Bob. This person purchased some goods from Amazon. So whenever Amazon deliver the product via courier, so we are getting a box. In this box, we add some information. For example, name, mobile number, email, address, location, link marks. So this information we are calling header information. So basically, for example, whenever this PC, laptop, and computers and devices sending data, so we add header. So the header will carry this device information in a network. Network means a group. A group means bunch of computers available in single place. Now, after done OSI model, we discuss one more topic. This topic name is IP address. Basically, if you're having a mobile phone, so mobile phone getting a contact number, mobile number, every person have a unique ID. Yes or no? 10 digit, 11 digit. So basically, every person a different or unique number. So why we are getting a different or unique number? To identify the person. Clear? Same thing in my network. Whenever we attach a multiple computers, PC, laptop devices, network devices, we must assign IP. IP means Internet Protocol Address. Why we use Internet Protocol Address? To identify which device sending or which device receiving the data traffic. Basically, we are getting IP address two types, version 4 and version 6. Now, after done IP address, we need to discuss about the subnetting topic. What is the meaning of subnetting? For example, inside organization, we are getting a different type of groups: HR, sales, marketing, accounts, support team, IT rooms, multiple departments available inside the organization. So how to create multiple networks, how to create multiple groups, you can say. So subnetting will help. Now, fourth number topic is networking devices. Before doing any other things, must be clear the networking devices. Basically, how many types networking devices we discuss? Hub, bridge, router, switch, gateway. Why we use and how to use. And whenever users send data, how these devices will flow the data traffic from one location to another location. Sorry. So in networking device, we discuss data flow, packet flow, ARP process, proxy ARP, routing table, MAC table, this concept. And after four topic, we discuss a fifth number. Fifth number is last topic to clear your basic fundamentals. This fifth number topic, we discuss how many communication type. Communication type. Communication types, we discuss what is the meaning of unicast, broadcast, multicast. Basically, whenever we know the destination, for example, this Bob want to reach a Jacob site. This one is Jacob. Jacob living in San Jose. Clear? And Bob available in, you can say CA site. Now, so Bob say, I know the destination location, San Jose. But if I'm say destination is not known, then if destination is known, we are saying unicast. Which one? Unicast. One-to-one communication. But destination is not identified. That condition we are saying a broadcast. Because destination is unknown. But. If Bob using a WhatsApp application and Jacob also using a WhatsApp application, both are getting a new feature in WhatsApp, end-to-end encryption. So WhatsApp developer will introduce new feature. So both are receiving. How to receive? Because both are member of WhatsApp application. So WhatsApp application will use some multicast address. Multicast means from one device to many devices we are sending. So whenever we are getting any feature in my application, so everyone receive. Yes or no? So that means we are doing a multicast communication. If you've done this 5 things, now we start the actual CCNA topics. Actual CCNA topics means we discuss first a switching part. Which one switching part? In switching, we discuss some protocols and features. First feature we discuss VLAN, then we discuss access port, then third we discuss DTP, fourth we discuss a trunk port, why we use trunk port. Then fifth number we discuss VTP, sixth number we discuss IVR technology, seventh number we discuss STP technology. If someone asking what is the meaning of loop and how to prevent a loop, so we discuss STP. Then 8 number topic we discuss STP types. Then 9th number we discuss RSTP. In RSTP we discuss advanced features. And 10th number we discuss Ether channel. Ether channel is very important topic. All are the topic in real time we are using. If you are working as a network engineer, so inside organization switch, this feature in use, all feature. Then after done your switching topics, we move on routing part. Switching is different and routing is different. So first we learn switching, then we start routing. Routing we learn 2 protocol, version 4 protocol, version 6, that means IP. With IPv4, with IPv6, this protocol and feature we discuss. First we discuss static routing, then we discuss a default routing topic. Then we discuss a third number topic name is a dynamic. Both are different, all are different. Clear? So dynamic routing, we discuss only IGP protocols. In IGP, we discuss 3 protocols: RIP, EIGRP, and then OSPF. This protocol in use my production network, enterprise, or internet service provider also use. After these features, we discuss a 4th number. 4th number topic is ACL. If someone say, I want to block some users communication, so we are using access control list. This feature we are using in firewall or security topic as well. Then 5th number we discuss net concept. Net means how to translate private address into public. So mostly network engineers enable this feature inside organization, homes, enterprise network. Then 6th number topic we discuss IP services. IP services is very important. This one feature we are using for gateway. Gateway means last exit point. If your last exit point is only 1, if 1 point is down, then we are getting a single point of failure. So that is the reason we are making a redundancy. Redundancy means one path is primary, other path is secondary. If primary goes down, then automatically secondary in use. Then 7th number we discuss a port security. 8th number topic we discuss DSCP. DSCP is very advanced feature. Whenever we are going a mall, any organization, so we are getting a free Wi-Fi connection. So how to get addresses in Wi-Fi, how to get internet connectivity, we learn in DSCP topic. Then 9th number topic we discuss TFTP server concept. Then 10th number we discuss how to back up your device, how to restore your device, how to erase your device information. If someone say, I want to remove old information from my device and please make it new device. So how to do backup, restore, erase. So this one is your topic in CCNA Enterprise. This topic will take maximum, or you can say minimum, 45 days. Sometimes this topic will be go to 48 days. Sometimes this topic will be go to 46 days. But 45 is fixed. Minimum 45 days this topic we discuss, and class will be available on Monday to Thursday. Every day we discuss 1 hour session. I will provide a recorded lecture and we provide a PNG file. Right now I am write down this file, this topic discussion on MS Pen and save it into PNG format. So you can get this PNG file. I am not using any PPT. Clear? I am using PNG. PNG means I will write down every key point, theoretical lab simulation, lab situations, and then save it into PNG file. So recording PNG file you receive, and if you need any study material, Study material means books in PDF format we provide. Lab we can do on simulator, so no need any physical device. Simulator we are using a packet tracer or GNS3. This both simulator free of cost, so you can install. Then we are providing a lab books, so you can get some idea how to do a labs. This one is discussion about the CCNA. If you are getting any doubt, so you can ask me. John, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Any query you can ask me, no worry.
All right. So you said it basically within 45 days we should be able to complete
yes,
this.
Because if you need to learn a basic to advanced any topic, so minimum 45 days you need to spend.
Okay, good.
We can do fast. If you need to do a fast learn, so we can do, but this course must be learned slowly. If you learn slow this part, so you can easily learn any other technology, cloud security, any other technology.
Okay, because I also would be signing up for the Fortinet.
Yeah, you can learn side by side, no worry.
All right. Okay, good.
But first 2 weeks you need to learn first 2 weeks this 5 topics. Clear? If you learn this 5 topics, that means you have some idea, data structure, packet level information. So you can do easily any other technology.
Okay, good.
Yes. Any other question?
No. It's very clear. I have no problem there.
Okay. So batch time, I think you already know batch time. It's a 2 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time Zone. Okay.
Yes.
We do 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 1 hour every day session, but class is only Monday to Thursday.
Right.
Okay, in Indian Standard Time Zone. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have time to do a labs. Okay. If you need any help, so ping me on which account, a WhatsApp you can say, or LinkedIn. I am available. Clear? So both social media you can use and access. And every study material available on Google Drive. So you can easily access Google Drive. You have permission to download your data, your recording sessions, clear, books, simulators, you can download easily. If you need any help in lab, so you can ping me.
Okay. How soon would I have access to that? I could start probably advanced reading of some material.
Okay. You need to send me your Gmail account ID.
Mm-hmm.
You need to send me your email address, then I will provide the access. So you can easily access anywhere in your mobile phone, laptop, PC, iPad, anywhere you can easily access.
Okay, good. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. No
yes,
problem.
You need to send me on WhatsApp, and we meet again tomorrow. Same ID, same password. Okay, session link is same every day, and we meet again tomorrow and start the CCNA topic. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Bye, dear. Take care. So basically, Neil, Gopi, Loy, today we discuss only brief session about the OSI model. Then from Monday, we continue deep dive for OSI model, layers information, protocols, header, everything. Clear? Only brief session. You can get some ideas first. Now, basically, if you know how many types of vendors in 90s, anyone know, for build a PC?
3 types.
Basically, we are getting, I think, IBM, Microsoft, and third is Apple. Yeah, this vendors provide a PC. PC means personal
computer.
computers. Okay. Whenever this vendors developed a PC. This vendors also provide a guidelines. Which one? A guidelines. In guidelines, this vendor will define first same vendor devices can communicate. Yeah. One more thing. Same vendor devices can share a data. But now, third guidelines, this vendor will define different vendor devices cannot communicate. One more thing, different vendor devices cannot share a data. So these guidelines we are getting in 90s. So that is the reason if someone having this side person name is Bob, and Bob having IBM vendor PC, clear? And this side one more user, its name Sam, and this Sam having Microsoft vendor devices. So both the devices can communicate in 90s.
No.
No.
We are not getting communication. But if someone asking, brother, how many connection type? How many connection type? So we are getting connection type. So basically connection type we are getting first
Wired and wireless.
wired, and second is
Wireless.
For example, if you connect Bob with Sam, so we are getting a which one connectivity? Wired. If we are connected with Wi-Fi, so it's called
Wireless.
wireless. Clear? Now, so basically in 90s we are getting issues if you're having a two different vendor devices, both of you, so we are getting issues. So basically one more organization is coming. Which one? ISO. This organization come. This organization name is International Standard of Organization, and this organization introduce OSI model. Basically this OSI model also known as a logical reference model, or you can say it's a blueprint. If you build a house, so we are getting architecture na? Architecture will define the map, which one is room, which one is a balcony, same as it is. If you build a PC, so must be follow which one model? This logical reference model. If you build a router, if you build a switch, if you build a firewall, if you build access points, if you build a servers, so basically must be follow which one reference model there? A logical. One more thing, OSI called Open System Interconnection. Basically OSI model introduced in 1979, and from 1979 we are getting some updates till 1984. Clear? So this one years we get OSI model. One more thing, in OSI model we are getting a layers. We are getting layers. How many layers available? 7 layers. Okay, now which one is 7 layers? We discuss one by one. So basically write down the layers information. First layer we are getting application. Then we are getting a which one layer, dear? presentation, then we are getting session, then we are getting transport, then we are getting network, then we are getting a data link, then we are getting a physical. But which one is seventh? Basically, always clear a layer numbers. Application called a layer number 7. Presentation called layer number 6. Session called layer number 5. Transport called a layer number 4. Network called a layer number 3. Data called layer number 2. And physical called layer number 1. So this layer number is always same. No need to do any changes with layer numbers. This one is fixed numbers. Clear? Any doubt? So which one is my first layer? Application, then presentation, session. No. First layer means layer 1, physical. Basically, why we use OSI model? If someone asking question. OSI model help to communicate two or more different vendors or devices. Clear? This thing is clear. Now one more thing. For example, if you are having a two brothers, which one? Bob and Sam. This side a Bob, and this side we are getting a Sam. Now one more thing. This one is wired connection or wireless? Anyone know? This one.
Wired.
It's a wired connection. Clear? Now, Bob say, brother, I want to send some data. Sam say, okay, brother, I'm receiving your data. So basically, Bob say, I'm sitting from sender side. And Sam say, I'm sitting side is from a receiver. So how to describe OSI model from sender side, from receiver side? Now one more thing. Anyone know a calculator available in your mobile phones? Calculators in your Windows, PC, Linux, Apple. Everyone know na calculator. So basically, this calculator is an application. Verify. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
If I'm saying if I'm using Excel, this Microsoft Office. So this one also application. If I'm saying if I'm using a notepad, so notepad also application. Right now, whenever we are using any application, so what will be happen? So basically, Bob say, brother, I'm using application. Which one? A WhatsApp. Which one application? WhatsApp. So Bob say, my first layer is application. This application layer help to generate data. I'm opening WhatsApp and I'm trying to send which one message, dear? Which one message? Hello. So that means this WhatsApp application will help to generate a data, and my data is hello message. If I am sending audio, so audio is my data. So application always use to generate data. So Bob sending na. So Bob say I'm using my first layer application. Now after application layer, Bob say I'm also using one more layer in backend. Which one? Presentation. Whenever this hello message receive on same side, so we are receiving in audio file, in JPEG, in text, in GIF, or in video. Which one format we are receiving this message? If I am sending hello message, so which method we are receiving?
Text.
Audio, text, GIF, video, JPEG. Which one?
Text.
Text message. So how it possible? So basically presentation layer responsible to represent your data. Presentation responsible. Now one more thing. Which one layer, dear? Read the name. Session. If Bob want to send hello message and Bob mobile internet connection is off, so possible to send same side?
No.
No.
If I am saying mobile data is on Bob's side, but same side mobile data is off. So Bob will send this data on Sam side, but Sam possible to receive?
No.
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 In this case, session layer possible to check connections. It's a online or offline. Clear? Now, one more thing. Which one layer available, dear? This one. Name transport. Okay, I think everyone using this feature. Everyone. Yes or no?
All right. Yeah.
Okay, if you are sending a money, so we are getting a credit or debit message. For example, if you send money, if you receive money, we are not receiving any message. So it's a reliable for me to get information, my account. No,
No.
we are not getting any updates. Okay. For example, if you are watching a YouTube streaming for FIFA, if you're watching a YouTube and FIFA World Cup, a live. So anyone is coming for you. If you are getting a screening in HD, if you are watching a goal, no one is asking you if you're watching or not watching. Clear? So in this case, whenever we are watching on YouTube or any live streaming, so it's a reliable for me. We are getting correct voice or not getting. Anyone is coming for asking if you are receiving a voice? No. But whenever we are doing a net banking, whenever we are doing any transaction, so every time we are getting a message of credit or debit. Clear? So basically, transport layer are two brothers available. Which one? Which one is two brothers? First brother name is reliable. Which one, dear? First brother name is reliable. Reliable means whenever we are sending a data must be received. Which one message? A reply message. I'm receive your data. Clear? If I'm using on transport layer, which one, brother? Unreliable. Unreliable means we are sending data, but we are not accepting a reply message. Are you receiving or not receiving? Clear? Any doubt? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. So transport layer clear. Now one more thing.
Yeah.
Data responsibility via two brothers only. Next layer is which one? Network. Everyone know this one person. This person. Everyone know this person. Mobile number or contact number. This number should be unique or same. Everyone.
Unique. Yeah.
Why unique? Why get unique? To get communication with different persons. Yes or no? So in a network, a network means bunch of computers, bunch of devices. We are getting IP addresses. Which one, dear? IP address. If you are getting confusion in IP address, you can say it's a EID. EID means electronic ID. Clear? This ID always attached with which one layer? Network. Why we use IP addresses in network layer? To identify which one is sender, which one is receiver. For example, if Bob want to send hello message on SAM side, but if Bob not having a SAM number, mobile number, so possible to send hello message if mobile number is not available in my phone.
No.
In WhatsApp. No. So basically, network layer always responsible to add which one addresses, dear? IP addresses. IP address, which one? Which one is sender? Which one is receiver? So two addresses always attach. Now one more thing. Next layer is a data link. Data link is also very important here. Anyone know this number in your mobile phone? Anyone? IMEI number. This number, anyone know why we use in my mobile phone? This number should be unique or same every
Unique.
device.
Unique.
Unique. If you lost your mobile phone, so you can complain with the help of this
Fine.
this address provided by vendor. Clear? Vendor plus one more organization to registered. Clear? Na? Basically, if you purchase a vehicle, so vehicle you can purchase from any store, but you need to register from a government. Na? So basically same. If you
Yeah.
purchase a mobile phone, you can get this IMI number from vendor, but this vendor also register from some organization. So two person will build this IMI number to help find out your mobile phone, and this number must be unique every device. Data link also add one more address. This address called a MAC address. It's also named as a which one address, dear? Hardware address. So basically, whenever we are sending a data, whenever we are receiving a data, so we are getting which one addresses? MAC addresses. Inside MAC addresses, devices will add source MAC and receiver MAC on data link. Always attach. Now next layer is a physical. Physical layer is also very important. For example, this side is Bob, and Bob is speaking in English language. This side is Sam. Sam is speaking in Arabic language. This side is Gopi. Gopi is speaking a Tamil language. This side is Neil, speaking in Indian language. But all users want to communicate via some different applications, for example, WhatsApp. So basically, it's possible to communicate in different language? No. If you're trying to communicate via computers, mobile phone, any devices, so every device is responsible on physical layer convert your human readable data into machine. In which one language, dear? Which one language?
Binary.
01 you can say. Physical layer responsible to convert human readable data into machine readable. So can you please verify from sender side, which one is my first layer? Anyone know? Which one is my first layer from sender side?
Physical.
That's an application.
Sender side, brother.
Physical.
No, again verify. Sender is which one? Bob or Sam? Which one?
Bob.
Bob.
Bob
is
want to send hello
application.
message. So Bob use
application.
first physical layer or application layer to generate data?
Application.
Application. So always depend on your condition. If someone asking, please explain me OSI model from sender side. So which one layer first introduce? Application. If someone say, please explain OSI model from receiver side. So whenever
Physical
Sam
layer.
receive your message, so Sam say, brother, I'm receiving your data on my physical. If you're having a wired connection, if you're having a wireless. On physical layer, we are receiving a data into 01. And Sam will verify next layer is which one? Data link. In data link, Sam will say, okay, I'm getting a which one information? MAC. Which one MAC, dear? Source and destination. You can say source and receiver. Receiver act as a destination. The next layer is which one? Network. On network layer, which one information we are receiving? IP. Which IP? Source and destination. On transport layer, depends on your person. A person name is a protocol. Protocol means set of rules. If you study in 10th standard or 9th standard, so mom and dad say, please come in 9 o'clock. Yes or no? Or 10 o'clock. So it's a fixed time duration. Same set of rules. Set of rules means if I'm saying, if I'm using reliable person, so reliable means whenever we are sending data, must be sent back. Which one message? Reply. So it's a rule, set of rules, every protocols. So we are using two protocols, reliable and which one? Unreliable. If you are using any one, so we can verify. Next layer is which one after transport layer, brother? Which one is next layer to receive your data? Session. Session layer verify your mobile data is off or on. Then which one is next layer? Presentation. Presentation layer responsible to verify your which one information? Data. Very good. And this data types represent on your
application.
That is the reason you are getting a notifications. As someone say good morning. Yes or no? So how to get message? After presentation layer. Because we don't have any idea na, which type of data we are receiving. A picture, text, video, audio. So presentation layer always verify. And session layer verify connection. Transport layer verify. If someone sending good morning, so you are getting a 2 ticks now. But whenever you are saying its color is a blue. Why? This first tick means data will be sent. 2 ticks means data will be deliver. And if you are getting a blue ticks, that means data will be seen by person. In WhatsApp, this one is connection method. Clear? First tick means data will be sent. 2 ticks means data will be deliver your person. And blue ticks means data will be seen by a person. This thing is clear. And then we can get notification on application. Any doubt for OSI? Everyone? Loyal, Neil, Gopi?
No doubt.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes. If you have any query, you can ask me. Query. You can ask me any question, no worry. Because this one is brief session about OSI model. Then we can deep dive for early years. Yes, Loyal, Neil, Gopi. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Everything is fine.
Okay. So if someone asking sender is clear, receiver concept is clear. Okay. Now one more thing. Basically, we are getting communication type. Which one type, dear? Communication type. We are getting 3 types of communication. We are getting a broadcast. We are getting unicast. We are getting a which one, dear? Multicast. Okay. Broadcast means one to all. Unicast means one to one. And multicast means one to which one, dear? A many. For example, this one is user, this one is user, this one, this one, this one. This one is A user, B user, C user, D user, E user. Okay. For example, this A user want to communicate with this E user. But first time this A user don't have information about a destination. But this person know which one is source A. So if you have destination is which one, dear? Unknown. If you have destination is unknown. So this user sent a message. This message called a broadcast. This broadcast message receive how many users? How many users? All users. And only which person send back reply message? E person. This person send back. After receiving a reply, this person say, okay, now I am getting source is A and destination is E user. Then communicate directly. Directly means it's a unicast. Information is complete. Now, if someone say, admin say tomorrow is off. So how to spread the information for all users? How to spread? So we are saying all users, this all users sitting into which one organization? JNtech. And now this A user will say, I am sending sources A and destination is JNtech organization, and message is tomorrow is off. And this message is spread. So if you having a JNtech authorization, so this person, this person, this person, this person receiving the message. That means we are doing a which one process, dear? Which one process? Multicast. Multicast means we are sending message, but inside a group. Which one? Which one group, dear? Authorized group. Which one? Loyal name. Authorized group. If you having authorization. Clear? Any issue, dear? This thing is clear. So broadcast means one to all, but condition is whenever destination is unknown. Okay, unicast means one to one, or multicast means one to many. Only method, this one. Now one more thing. Basically, we are having some services. We are using a daily basis these services. If you are using a mobile phone, PC, if you are having a laptop, clear? If you are having a server, so we are using these services every day. Which one? We are using HTTP, we are using HTTPS, we are using FTP, we are using DNS, we are using DHCP, we are using you can say SCTP, we are using NTP, we are using multiple services available, but this services we are using commonly. This service, this one is not using a commonly, but rest of the services we are using every time, everyone. For example, if you want to visit a someone organization, a website, clear? If you want to visit someone organization website, so we are using a which one services? These two services. If you want to download, or which one process, dear? Download or upload any file, so we are using a which one person? FTP. If you're trying to find out someone from name, from mobile number, so we are using a which one person, dear? DNS. If you are going a mall, a metro, anywhere, if you want to access which one person, everyone do these things. Which one person, dear? Free Wi-Fi. So we are using a which one service? This person, DSC. If you want to get in your laptop correct date, time, year, so we are using a which one person? Lloyd, Neil, Gopi. Which one person? NT. Clear? So this services we are using random every time, everywhere, in mobile, PC, server, laptops, everywhere we are using a daily routine. This service we are using because every time we are doing a visit for website, we are doing a download or upload process, we are trying to find out someone from name, mobile number on social media. If you want to get a free Wi-Fi, if you want to get a correct date and time in your mobile phones, yes or no, laptops, so we are using every time. This thing is clear? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now, so go through this small video. From Monday, we do continuous session without any delay. Clear? And from Monday, we start earliers. Must be go through the day 1, day 2 video. I will share today a complete Ccna folder. So only watch OSI model video. No need to watch another topics. Only OSI model. Clear? Yeah, I think we are getting 3 videos for OSI. Clear? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. This thing is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Must be watch layers information before start layers. Clear? Then from
Okay.
Monday we start the sessions. Continue. 1 hour daily session we are doing. 1 hour. Okay.
Okay.
And inside WhatsApp group, you can send your mail ID. Today lecture video you can receive on Google Drive. Okay.
Okay.
I think everyone install Microsoft OneNote application in your laptops. So if you done installing OneNote, so I will share this this OneNote file. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Take your time. Go through this video. So basically, dear, last time we discussed OSI model, I think. Okay, I think we done layers information. Yes or no? So basically in OSI model, how many layers available? Gopi, any idea? How many layers? Anyone know in OSI model how many layers? Seven layers. Okay. First layer is application. So we start from which one layer first? Application layer. We discuss application layer theory part. So right now, why we use application layer? Basically, it will be responsible to generate data traffic with the help of a different application. Clear? And also use services. Which one, dear? Application layer also uses some services. Okay. If someone asking how many type services we are using, so we are using HTTP, HTTPS, we are using FTP, we are using DNS. This kind of services we are using in daily basis. Clear? Every user. Okay, we start from first HTTP, then we discuss HTTPS, then we discuss FTP and DNS. Okay, if you want to learn a OSI model, so we start from a basic diagram. Clear? In basic diagram, we discuss, for example, this one is your user, and this user connected with your modem. So this one is which one device? Neil, it's a modem. Modem means you can say access point. Clear? And this modem connected with your which one side? This modem connected with my ISP side. ISP means anyone know? ISP means why we use ISP? Anyone know? ISP means it's a internet service provider. So this design will help to learn OSI model, this design. We start from this design. Okay, right now, basically if you want to generate some data traffic via applications, so how many application available on users? I think we last time we already discussed now. If we are using a operating system, in operating system we are getting which type of applications? For example, calculator, for example, notepad, for example, Excel, for example, you can say Word file. So this file offline generated data traffic. If I want to reach internet, so we are using how many types of application? For example, Google Chrome browser. Then we are using a Firefox, Opera. Then we are using Safari browser. Clear? Then we are using a Brave browser. Multiple browsers available in operating system. So this browser help to generate which one traffic? Anyone know? Which traffic generate these browsers? Which one traffic generate? A data traffic. For example, if I am using a browser, this one, Firefox, and I am enter google.com, then enter. So we are getting an internet service accessible, but via this browsers. So basically this browser also generated which one traffic? Data traffic. So this user say, if I want to generate some data traffic, so this user will open first. Which one browser? For example, G.C. G.C means I'm using which one browser? Google Chrome browser. Clear? In this browser, this user will open a tab number 1, and tab number 1, this user will enter some keywords. Which one? For example, this user say in search bar CCNA and then enter. That means this user generate which one traffic automatically? Which one traffic generated? This user now a data traffic. In this
Data
traffic,
transfer.
in this data, we are getting a CCNA. Right now, this traffic will forward user to which one side? Modem, and modem to which one side? ISP. Whenever ISP receives, so ISP provides reply. Modem
Right.
and modem to users.
User.
And this user will say, okay, brother, now I'm getting a complete website information. Which one? This user verify. I'm getting a website name is http://ccna.com. Done. So this website successfully accessible. But right now, can you please verify in this website we are using of which one service? Which one service we are using? HTTP. So what is the meaning of HTTP service? First clear this side. HTTP means it's called hyper text transfer protocol. Clear? One more thing. HTTP. It is used to provide a web services. Clear? One more thing. HTTP. Always send and receive plain text data traffic. Clear? HTTP. Never done encryption. Clear? HTTP. In between client and server. So client is my user and server is ccna.com website server. In between client and server, data and connection not secured. Clear? This thing clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Now one more thing. If attacker capture data traffic, then possible to sniff all information. Clear? Now one more thing. HTTP. It is used a port number just like a roll number. Clear? We discussed deeply port number, but right now HTTP port number is how many? How many port number here? 80. For example, if you get this website, and in this website we are getting an option. Which one option available? This website we are getting a login option. This website say please log in your credential. So this website login credential, we need to put username and we need to put password. So if someone go to and write down the username and password, someone say username is admin, password is 1234. Then what will be happen? Now this user generate again same data traffic, same to same, this one. Same data traffic, but this data traffic bind with my credential information with this one. Yes or no? And I also attach one more information inside the data. Which one? We attach one more information, website name. Website name is which one, dear? http://ccna.com. So this complete information, this one. This complete information forward by user to which one side? User to which one side first? Modem, and modem to which one side? ISP. So in between data traffic translation or traffic forwarding, if someone sitting with your modem, connected with your modem, and this person, I am saying this one is your, which one person, dear? Attacker PC. This one is which one person? Attacker. If this attacker capture your traffic, and after capturing this data traffic, this attacker will say, okay, I'm read your data traffic, and this attacker open this message. So this message will be encrypted or a plain text format. Which one? This data traffic encrypted format or plain text format? Please tell me. Hello?
Encrypted.
So this data traffic plain text or encrypted format we are receiving? Basically, this complete
Encrypted.
data plain text. So possible to capture your all information. So whenever we are going to any website, so must be verified which one website we are trying to access. If we are getting an HTTP website, that means this website is not secure. Okay, open this website. For example, if I'm find out some website, HTTP website, hold on. I will try to open some website. For example, this one. And this one website, copy this address, copy and open notepad file and then paste. Same website name, paste and verify which one service we are accessing, loyal name, HTTP. Can you please click on this log, this one, and read this line? Connection is secure or not secure?
Not secure.
Not secure. Okay, click on this greater than symbol and read. Your connection to this site is not private information. You submit could be viewed by other live, password, message, credit card, informations, etc. Clear? And more information, this website does not supply ownership. That means not an authorized website. Clear? This thing is clear. And data type, we are getting a which one, dear? Data type, we are getting a which one? Text form. So it's a plain text. Never do login with HTTP site. Clear? Now next thing. If your HTTP service is complete, then we go to next thing. Next thing, which one? Same design we are again getting. This side we are getting a user. This user connected with my modem and modem connected with my which one side? Which one side here? ISP. Clear? User. This one is modem and this one is ISP. Any doubt for this design? This design help to learn only OSI model. Clear? We discuss deeply again. Now, this user say, brother, I want to generate again some data. This user again open which one application dear? Google Chrome. Which one? Google Chrome web browser. And now tab number is which one? Last time we are using a which one tab number? Anyone know? Last time tab number 1. Now tab number 2. And this user say, now I am accessing CCNP and then enter. That means this user again generate which one traffic dear? Data traffic. Clear? Now this data traffic forward user to modem to ISP, and ISP send back modem side and modem send back user and user send back application side. Clear? Now this application tab will show now you successfully enter which one website? https://ccnp dot. This one is example website. So now can you please verify which one web service we are using right now? Which service we are using?
HTTPS.
HTTPS. Okay. Right now, first clear HTTPS theory. HTTPS. Same hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. And S means secure. Clear? Okay. Right now, one more thing. Why we use HTTPS? It is used to provide a web services. Clear? Now one more thing. HTTPS. Always send and receive encoded plus encrypted data. Clear? Now, HTTPS. One more thing. In between client and server connection secured via TLS or SSL certificates. Clear? We discuss HTTPS. One more thing. Before sending data traffic over the internet. Clear? For sending data over the internet. Encryption already done. If attacker capture data traffic, so not possible to decrypt. Clear? Any doubt?
No.
This thing is clear? No. One more thing. HTTP use which one port number? 80 na?
443.
80.
80.
HTTP use 80 port number.
80.
HTTPS use, it is use a port number 443. Now, one more thing. So basically, if someone asking, sir, can you please brief me encode or decode means? So encode and decode mechanism. First learn. Basically, in this mechanism, data encode into human readable to machine readable format. Clear? Example, for example, if you write down ABC, then it will convert into which one language? 0101. Clear? Automatically. So how many encode and decode mechanism available? We are getting a two types encode and decode mechanism. First is ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code of Information Interchange, but it is used 1 byte algorithm. Which one? 1 byte algorithm. Okay, one more thing for ASCII. Always remember ASCII only support English language. Which one language data you can translate into human to machine? English language data only. If I am saying if your friend is speaking in Arabic language, so if I am using ASCII method on my website, so translation possible to Arabic words possible?
No.
No. So that is the reason developer never use ASCII codes, but some website use. Clear? Now second option, UTF. UTF means Unicode transformation. It is use a 2 byte algorithm. How many bytes? 2 byte. And one more thing, UTF support multiple languages. If you are speaking in Chinese, so no worry, this will be translate easily. If you are speaking in Arabic, Hebrew, clear? So automatically Japanese also. You can, if you visit some website, so automatically you are getting translation option, na? Translate to English, translate to your language. Yes or no? So that means we are using UTF. If we are not getting a translation option, that means we are using a which one option? ASCII. UTF support multiple language and emojis. I think you already remember the emoji means. Everyone know this emojis, this one. So this kind of emojis also supported by UTF mechanism. Clear? Now encode and decode is clear. Now next option we need to discuss about which one? Certificates. Certificate is very important. We are getting a two types of certificate, TLS. Basically TLS, it is use 128-bit encryption. Which one, dear? 128-bit encryption. And one more thing, TLS. It's provided by some authorized organizations. Clear? And one more thing, TLS. Why we use TLS? It will provide secure connection in between client and which one mechanism? Client and servers. But what is the meaning of 128 bits? For example, you can say, if you write down Ccna, so every word break into 128 characters. How many characters, dear? 128 characters.
So that means if you multiply by 128 multiply by 4. So how many values come out? Anyone know? How many? Verify. 128 multiply by 4.
512.
512. So that means every character, this one values we are getting. Clear? So it's very difficult to break. But right now, one more certificate available. Which one? It's called SSL. SSL why we use? It is used 256-bit encryption mechanism. How many bits? 256. And one more thing, SSL. It's provided by authorized organizations. And one more point, always remember SSL. It will provide a secure connection in between client and server. Client means user and server means websites. Clear? Now, so this one is 256. So same example you can say. If you write down Ccna, so every word break into how many characters, dear? How many characters? 256. So you can multiply 256 by how many values? 4.
4.
Clear? Then you can get your outputs. So which one is difficult to break? TLS or SSL?
SSL.
SSL is more difficult. That is the reason mostly organization use. You need to purchase from authorized organizations. Clear? Now, move to another theory. So basically this user say, okay, I'm successfully access this website. Now this website show a login option. Which one option here? Login. Login with your credential, username and password. So how to log in? Same thing last time we discussed. I think you already remember. Last time we log in with username and password. So my username is admin and password is 1234. Last time we also had. Now, so this complete information, this data will be add. This data will be add username and password, all information add, all information. Okay. Now, whenever this user forward data traffic user to modem, modem to ISP, suppose if someone connected with your modem, someone this side, and this person say, okay, brother, I have some tool. I will try to capture your data traffic, and this attacker capture your data traffic successfully. And after capturing the data traffic, this attacker will say, okay, brother, I'm trying to read your data. But inside data, this attacker will get username and password. This attacker will verify, okay, I'm getting your credential easily. Now this attacker will say, okay, your username is, your password is. So basically, can you please verify this data possible to read? This data is possible to read.
No.
Basically, this user use SSL certificate. So server also use SSL, but attacker use SSL certificate. No. So basically, this data will be not possible to
Read.
tamper, or you can say breach, or you can say break anything. Right now, how to verify this thing is true or false? Because sometime how to verify. So I will jump to google.com and now verify, click on this button and now verify connection is secure. Click on this one option. You are securely connected to this site via Google Trust Service. Click on more. Okay, now read this line first. Connection is encrypted via which one algorithm? TLS 128 SHA-256. It's an algorithm, secure hash algorithm. Clear? Now, one more thing. The page you are viewing was encrypted before being transmitted over the internet. Clear? And now one more thing you can remember. Encryption makes it difficult unauthorized people to view information traveling between a computer. It is therefore unlikely that anyone read your page across the network. If someone says, sir, what is the meaning of the page you are viewing was encrypted before being the transmit over the internet? For example, if you write down CCNA, then what will be happen? The CCNA will be encrypt automatically right now. Yes or no? And if I enter, so also encrypted data forward. So basically, HTTPS website is a more secure. Clear? Right now you can verify this one. HTTPS. Now, so both services clear. Now jump to next service. Same design we are using, brother. Same. This one. Now this user say, brother, I want to again generate some data traffic. So this user will open a Google Chrome application. And in this Google Chrome application, anyone know tab number is which one? Right now, how many tabs we already use? Anyone? Loyal, Neil, Gopi?
3.
3. Very good. That means you are available in class. Now, in tab 3, user will enter. I want to do one thing. This thing every user do. Every users, every person, every engineer will do. Yes or no? This thing everyone do na? Free antivirus, free movie, free song, free softwares.
Yeah.
So I will try to download antivirus. So basically this user again generate which one traffic, dear? Again generate which one traffic? A data. This data will be forward modem to ISP, and then ISP to modem, and modem to user, and then user to application. But right now we are trying to do download. So in this case, we are using some services. I'm saying service name is which one, dear? FTP. FTP means file transfer protocol. What is the meaning of FTP? It is used to do download and upload process. Clear? Why we use FTP? It is used to do download and upload process. One more thing. FTP use a port number 20 and 21. And one more thing, FTP can use HTTP, HTTPS. Depends on network admin. Clear? Which service allocate? Any doubt? This thing is clear? Okay.
Yes.
Loyal, Neil, Gopi. I think you already working as a network engineer. Yes or not? All of you.
Yep.
So can you please give me some information about why we use 2 ports number? Any idea? Why we use 2 ports number? Any idea? Huh? Gopi, Neil, Loyal? Okay. If you don't have any idea, so say no.
Yeah, it's actually 21 is for control channel and
No need to find out on google.com here. I'm already clear. No worry.
Yeah.
So basically why we use 2 ports number? Always clear. 20 port number we use for to make transport channel. Transport channel means you are creating some tunnels to do which one process? 21 help to do download and upload process. Which one, dear? To do download and upload process. So basically this user say first time I'm using 20 port number and get transport channel. This transport channel is ready. Clear na? To do which one task? Download or upload task. And after this website, we are getting reply. So we are getting a reply of which one website accessible. For example, https://avast.com. Clear? Which one? https://avast.com. In this website, we are getting an option. Which one option? We are getting download button. Which one button? Anyone know?
Download.
Download button. So can you please tell me in this website, ours.com website, any possibility available to upload my data traffic?
No.
Upload task? No. But you can do
No.
which one task?
Download.
Download task. How it possible, dear? Any idea how it possible, these things? How it possible? So basically, in backend, developers and network engineers set a rules. Clear? Which rules? If user trying to do download, which one task? If user trying to do download, and if user trying to do upload, then what will be happen? So if you're trying to do download, so allow. If you're trying to upload, that means which
Deny.
one here?
allow.
Block.
Mm.
Which one? Block, or you can say deny as well. Clear? If you don't want to say block, so you can say deny. So these two rules must be set. Same thing if you want to verify. So I will remove this one and I will write down free antivirus download and verify. So this one is add. No need to click on this ads. Okay, scroll down and this one is website. Click on this website and now verify. This website only showing a which one option, dear? Which one option available? Upload or download? Which one?
Download.
Only download. You can download for MacBook, you can download for Android, you can download for iOS devices also. But right now, any upload option available?
No.
But can you please verify one more thing? I think you already remembers. If you're having a Google Drive, everyone know Google Drive.
Yes.
Now, can you please verify this one drive? If you're having a Google Drive, so in Google Drive we are getting an option. Which one? Read this
Download
option.
and upload.
Upload. This upload option. If I want to download, so download is also available. So this website will provide both option. Which one? Upload and download. Clear? Basically, FTP also work as a storage device also. Clear? This service also provide storage concept. Done?
Yeah.
Now next service. Okay. So before doing a next service, must be complete the theory part. Okay. DNS full form. Gopi, Royal name. DNS full form.
Domain name system.
Domain name system. Very good. Okay. Why we use DNS? Basically, it is used to resolve name to IP queries. Clear? DNS. One more thing. This service available on servers. Clear? And one more thing. This servers available publicly and locally. Clear? Both. One more thing, DNS. It's also possible to resolve IPv4, IPv6 queries. Everyone know IPv4 and IPv6 address available, na? Now one more thing, DNS. Messages available. Which one, dear? Messages. So we are getting first message DNS query message. Second is DNS query not resolved message. And third is DNS query reply message. This thing is clear? How many messages available? Everyone, how many messages available? 3 types of messages. Okay, if someone asking, sir, how to differentiate IPv4 query or IPv6 query? It's a very simple. IPv4 DNS query always carry in DNS packet type field single A. How many hai? Single A. And one more thing, IPv6 DNS query always carry in DNS packet how many Field A,
Three A's,
4A.
4A, sorry.
Clear? So it's a differential. Now we discuss about one more thing. DNS. It is used a port number. Which one, dear? 50. HTTP is used how many? 443. HTTP 80. DNS 53 and FTP is 20 and 21. This thing is clear. Now one
Yes.
more one. How to learn this theory? So this one is last time design we are using, but now basically we are using a two types of DNS server right now. One is my Google and one is my locally available inside your organization. So this ISP say I'm having my local DNS server. So this DNS server having IP, website name, clear? And which one information? Which one? Service information, clear? IP, website name, and which one? Service information. And this DNS server having IP is 9.9.9. Now, this DNS server say, for example, 1.1.1 is my for which one website? Which one website? Ccna. And this Ccna website using a last time which one service? HTTP. 2.2.2. And this one is CCNP. Anyone know CCNP use which one services? CCNP website use which one service? HTTPS. Clear? 3.3.3.3. This one is Avast. And Avast providing a which one service?
FTP.
Clear? 4.4.4. And this one is JNtech Networks website. And we are using HTTPS. Done? Any doubt? No.
No.
Basically, network engineer, whenever we are getting an internet connection in your offices, home, so network engineer come and set on modem DNS server IP. Which one IP? DNS server IP. So modem node DNS server IP is 9.9.9. And this user say, brother, I want to generate some data. This user will open Google Chrome application. Anyone know right now which one tab we reach? Tab number is now? Tab number.
4, 5.
4.
4, sorry, 4.
Clear? And now this user say, I want to jump CCNA. I want to enter CCNA website. This user generate which one message right now? Data first. This user say, I'm generating data, but inside data, I'm sending DNS query message. And my query question is my, who is CCNA? And please provide me answer. Answer means please provide me IP information of this website. Clear? And this message forwarded by user to modem. Modem verify my DNS server is ISP side. ISP forward to DNS server. DNS server having any CCNA website information? Can you please verify? Anyone? DNS server having CCNA website information, IP, name, service having? Yes or no? This service is available now. Yes or no? So basically DNS server say, okay, someone is sending question is CCNA and answer is provide IP address 4 or 6, anyone. Now this ISP say, okay, I'm getting a reply from my server. So ISP send back reply user to modem. So which one reply? Same. Copy this one. Same reply message we generate. Remove this information. Now, ISP say I'm sending DNS query reply. And my last time client asked question is who is CCNA? And I'm sending answer is website IP address. Anyone know which one IP address we are using? 1.1.1. And this user easily get the complete information about the website. https://ccna.com. Easily you can access. Any doubt? Loyal, Neil, Gopi.
No.
Nothing is clear. Now, this user say, brother, now I want to open one more website. Now tab number is
5.
5. And this user say, I want to go to, for example, Facebook. Which one website I want to jump? Facebook, and then enter. So this user again generate which one traffic dear? Data traffic, and inside data traffic, this user sends some query message. Which one query message? Question is which one? Who is Facebook? Please provide me answer, and answer IP. So this query message forward to modem, modem to ISP. ISP forward server. Server having any Facebook website information? Verify. Server having any Facebook website information? Loyal, Neil, Gopi. Verify. Any website information available?
No.
Facebook.
No.
So in
No.
this condition, ISP say, brother, I am sending which one message? Reply message. In this reply, ISP send back one message new. Which one new message? ISP say, I am sending now DNS query not resolve message. Which one, dear? DNS query not resolve message. Your question is not resolved from DNS server, and this modem to user, and this user will get on this tab. Right now, which message we are getting on this tab number 5? This site can't be reachable. Okay, which one message we are getting? This site can't be reachable.
Whichever.
I think this message you're already getting sometimes. Yes or no?
Yes.
So application layer is clear how application work. Now, one more thing, always remember, application layer also provide two more things. Clear? Which one? If you are getting any new notification about your Windows update, about your any conflict information, about your bugs, so application layer also provide which one information dear? Notification. Okay, one more thing, application layer also provide online or offline information. For example, if internet goes down, so this Chrome browser, we are getting a which one message? Which one message? No internet connection, na? Yes or no? So Google Chrome also application. So application also provide online or offline information plus notification. Clear? Loyal, Neil, Gopi.
Yes.
This thing is clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go through this video. We meet again tomorrow, same time, and discuss presentation layer. Which one? Presentation. You can receive this file on your Google Drive. Clear? So I think Neil, Sam, Neil or Loy. Basically, last time we discussed which one layer? Any idea which layer we discussed last time? In OSI model, last layer is which one? Application.
Application.
Now we discuss a layer number 6, and layer number 6 name is which one layer, dear?
Presentation.
Presentation layer. Okay, basically this layer is very important. Why? It will be responsible to represent a data types from source to destination. Okay, one more thing for presentation layer. In this layer, data encryption also perform. Which one task, dear? Data encryption task. One more thing you can say. In this layer, compression and decompression tasks also performed with data. So how many things we done in presentation layer? First, data type. Second is encryption. Third is compression and decompression. Okay, if someone asking what is the meaning of data types, so basically we are getting some data types. Most popular, you can say text. So basically we are not getting a text data, we are getting a ASCII code encoded, or we are getting UTF encoded data also. Now second data type is JPEG, third is PNG, fourth is you can say MP3 data, last is MP4 data, you can say audio and video files. And now this thing is my data types. Basically how presentation layer are responsible for this data types. For example, if you're having a two users, you can say this side PC1 and this side we are getting a which one PC dear? PC number 2, and both are connected with this cable. So basically this connection called wired connection or wireless. Any idea? This
Wired.
wired connection. Very good. And right now this person name is Bob and this person name is Sam. Clear? Now Bob say, brother, I'm using a WhatsApp application. Which one application, dear? WhatsApp application. And via WhatsApp application, Bob say, brother, I'm generating some messages. Clear? And Bob say, okay, now I am sending some data. Now I am sending some data. So in my data, I am sending hello message. Which one message here? Hello message. So whenever Bob send this data on Sam's side, so Sam receive inside data field which type of data? Text data, audio data, or video data, or JPEG file, or any PNG file. Which type of data Sam will receive?
Text.
From Bob? Text. So how it possible to receive only text data? Bob to Sam side. Basically in between Bob or Sam, one layer is responsible. Which one? Presentation layer. This presentation layer check a data types inside the data. Clear? So which type of data you are sending? Presentation layer is always responsible. Right now we are sending a hello message, no worry. If I am sending one more message, which one? Bob say, brother, now I am sending again one more data. But in this data, Bob say, I am sending my JPEG file, and this JPEG file pixel is 1024768 pixel, and plus this file size is 10 MB. So which type of data now Bob trying to sending? Any idea? Now Bob trying to sending which type of data in via WhatsApp? JPEG file. JPEG file. Now, whenever Bob say I am sending, so if you are sending, that means Bob actually doing upload task. Upload means this data first receive on which one database, dear? Any idea which one database receive first? WhatsApp database servers receive this data. Clear? Now, if Bob done uploading task, now Sam say, okay, I'm trying to receiving your data. So whenever Sam say I'm receiving your data, that means Bob sending, Sam receiving. But actually in backend, Sam device application will doing which one task, dear? Download task. And after this task, Sam say I am receive your data. Now Sam say I am receiving your data, and in this data I am receiving your JPEG file, but actually your picture pixel size is 640/768 and file size is 2 MB. Anyone know how this thing will be happen? Any idea? Neil, Gopi, any idea how this thing happen in backend or WhatsApp database server? Actually, WhatsApp application is free application or paid application? Anyone know?
Free.
Free application. If we are using any free application, any free service to store your data, to move your data from one location to another location. So everyone getting a data storage issues now, because after some times data storage space will be full. So that is the reason developer will introduce new technology. It means whenever user sending data, actually user device will do upload task. That means WhatsApp database server first verify data types, and uploading time WhatsApp server will do which one task? Which one task? Compress your data. And whenever user receive your data, that means actually user device will do in backend download process. That means device will do which one task? Gopi, which one task? Decompress.
Decompress.
Okay, right now this technology lab we also do. Okay, live scenario lab we do, and we can check also compress and decompress tasks. Clear? So any doubt for presentation layer?
No.
Okay. Anyone know next layer is which one?
Session.
Which one? Session.
Session.
Now move to next layer. OSI we discuss slow process because it's very important. Session layer. Okay. Any idea why we use session layer? I think last time we already discussed a basic theory. Any idea why we use session layer? Gopi, Neil, any idea? Basically, session layer will provide connection information. So we can say it will be responsible to initiate. Which one, dear? Initiate session, maintain session, and delete session. Okay. This layer will be responsible to initiate your sessions with server, client and server, maintain or delete your session. But if someone asking, sir, how it's possible to initiate? So in this layer, session layer use port number table concept. Which one concept, dear? Port number table concept. One more thing. It will also check connection multiplexing task. Which one task, dear? Connection multiplexing task. We discuss now. So, Neil, if I am asking, dear, what is the port number of HTTP? Any idea? Gopi, what is the port number of DNS? Tell me, port number of HTTP or HTTPS, DNS, FTP, any idea?
HTTP 80, HTTPS 443.
FTP is 21.
2120.
20 is hide. Never define 20. If
Okay,
someone
21.
asking an interview, you can say. But if someone asking for FTP service only, so define 21. And after defining a 21, also say 20 is making a transport channel to do download or upload process. Okay, now basically first thing we need to clear a port number. Basically port number called, it's a unique identity. Clear? Which one, dear? Unique identity. Okay, one more thing, port number. It's also defined protocols, services, and you can say protocol services, informations. One more thing, port number. Basically port number, total size. It's a 16-bit. How many bit, dear? 16-bit. Anyone know a 16-bit means how many bytes? Any idea? Basically 16 bits means a 2 byte. Clear? Okay, one more thing. If you are using a short formula, this formula we are using every time, 2 power 16. So how many values come out? 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. But actually port number range start from 1, 2, 6, 5, 5, 3, 5. Which one, dear? 6, 5, 5, 3, 5. One more thing, port number. It's a divided by two types. How many types port number? Two types. Which one? First port number called well known. Which one port number, dear? Well known port number. Okay, one more thing you can say. It's also called a reserved port number. Okay, one more thing. This port number already defined with protocols and services. This port number already defined with protocols and services. One more thing. This port number client use and servers use to get service or protocol information. One more thing, range available for well-known 1 to 1024. How many? 1 to 1024. So any doubt for well-known port number, you can ask me. Neil, Gopi. If you have any issue, you can ask me, no worry. Now, second port number. Second port number is, it's called a random port number. Which one, dear? Random port number. Okay, why we use random port number? It's also called unreserved port number. Okay, why we use this port number used by client whenever client having multiple application to reach or access services or protocols. Okay, Neil, can you hear me?
Yes.
Gopi? Okay, Neil, if I'm asking, if you want to reach google.com, if you want to watch YouTube, so only Google Chrome will provide this service or another browser also provide? Please tell me.
Any service can, any browser provide that service.
Any browser possible to provide YouTube access, Google access, yes or no? So basically, we are getting a different applications in user side. So user or client, you can say it's a source person. And if you want to reach Google or YouTube, so it's my destination. So source port is random and destination port is always well-known or reserved port number, you can say. So whenever client having multiple application to reach or access service or protocols particular, then we can use which one port number? Random port number. Clear? Now one more thing. This port number we discuss from client side. Okay. One more thing. Range available 10252655535. So verify, dear. Random port number range is Gopi. Gopi, Neil. Random port number range is
1025265.
yes. And reserve port number range is
12102.
okay. Now, so HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, DNS. Which one port number calling? Random or reserve or well-known? Which one?
Reserve.
Which one
Reserve.
port number we are calling?
Reserve.
Reserve. Very good. Now you can get some idea. So we are making a small diagram. Last time we already discussed this diagram. Done. And this side we are getting a which one device? User, or you can say client. And this side is my modem, or you can say access point. And ISP full form is Neil. ISP full form, dear.
Internet service provider.
Service provider. So basically this user maintain port number table. Which one, dear? This users, not a modem. So this user say I'm making a port number table. For example, this not a real, it's only example, only learning purpose. So it's my port number table. Inside port number table, how many information we are getting? This information is not actual, but similar of same information we are installing. First, we are getting a tab number. Then we are getting source port number. Then we are getting destination port number. Then we are getting service information. Give me 1 second to declare the size. Okay, it's clear, dear. Now this thing is clear. Now
Yes.
tab, source, and destination. Okay, now so basically if I'm asking brother, this user say I want to reach Ccna website. So this user open which one application first? Google Chrome. And Google Chrome we are using a which one tab? Tab number is 1. And then this user will enter which one? Keyword Ccna and then enter. So in this case, this user will generate which one traffic? Which one traffic, Gopi? Neil. Data traffic. And after data traffic, this user say I want to access Ccna. So last time Ccna available on which one service? Any idea? Which service use Ccna? FTP, DNS, HTTP or HTTPS? Which type of service available on Ccna server?
HTTP and TTPS.
HTTP. Yes or no? So in this case, this user say I'm opening a tab 1 and I'm trying to reach Ccna. So this user will generate data, and inside data via presentation layer, this user will add one more information, source port number. So this user adds source port number, destination port number. This user say my source port number. So source application is a fixed application to reach Ccna, or we are having a multiple application to reach Ccna. Any idea? Which application we are using to reach Ccna? Any idea? Which one application? Verify. Application name is Google Chrome. So Google Chrome web browser. We are having a single web browser or multiple? Any idea? In real time, in your laptop PC, we are getting a single web browser or multiple web browser? Multiple. So that means source application is random, because we are using any application. So source port number is starting from my random series, and random series port number is first 1025. And destination, which type of service we are trying to access via Ccna website? HTTP. So that means 80. And this traffic will forward from user to modem and modem to ISP. So basically, whenever ISP receive your message, ISP say, okay, brother, now this user want to reach which one service? This user want to reach which one service, dear? Verify. 80 means which service we are trying to access? HTTP. So that means this server say, okay, I am sending reply message, but this user via this message initiate the process to reach Ccna website, and now ISP send back reply. Now ISP say, okay, now brother, I am sending reply message. So can you please verify, Neil, Gopi, ISP provide which type of service for this user? HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, DNS or another? Which type of service ISP provide now? HTTP. So right now source port number whenever ISP send back reply 80. Yes or no? And which one
Yes.
tab number receive this data traffic? Any idea? Which tab receive this data traffic? Tab number 1 or another tab? Tab number 1. So that means tab number 1 port number is last time 1025. Okay, very good. This data modem receive, modem forward user, user forward application. So whenever we are getting an actual reply from ISP, so this user will say, okay, now brother, I will do. Now brother, I will do. Which one task? Which one task? Maintain this session. Clear? In my port number table. Tab number we are using 1 and source port number we are using which one? Source port number whenever user generate data. Which one is my source port number? Verify. Gopi, Neil. Which one source port number?
1025.
1025. And destination port is
80.
80. Very good. And which service? HTTP. This thing is clear. How to initiate, how to maintain. Again, one more time you can say. Again, one more time we are trying to generate some data traffic, and again we are trying to initiate some sessions. Clear? Give me 1 second to save this file. Hold on. Ccna batch 9 to 10. Day 306. Okay, now basically this user say, brother, now I am trying to open one more tab, and this tab number is which one, dear? 2. And now this user say, brother, I want to reach CCNP, and then enter. That means this user generate which one traffic again? One more time. Which traffic generate? Data. And now source port number. Any idea which source port number we are using now? Random or well known whenever this user initiate the session? Random. So this user say, I'm already using a which one random port number in my tab 1? 1025. So next random port number is 1026. And destination, which type of service? HTTPS. 443. Very good. Now this user say, I am initiate this session. Clear? And this data will receive ISP, modem, then modem to ISP. And whenever ISP send back reply, so reply time, which one is my source port number, brother? Anyone know which one is my source port number from ISP side? Which one? ISP provide which type of service for tab number 2?
443, yeah.
And now which tab receive this data? Reply message. Tab 1 or tab 2?
Tab.
So 1026.
Tab 2.
And this data
26.
modem to user and user to tab. And now this user will say, brother, I am maintaining this. Maintain this session. Clear? After receiving this message. So basically, one more information we need to map in my port number table. So tab number is 2, and which one source port number we are using? 1026. And which one destination port?
443.
Very good. Which one service?
HTTP.
Oh, very, very good. Now, one more thing. Now, after some times, Neil close this tab number 1. Neil says, sir, I don't want to use this tab number 1. So Neil close this tab. And after close this tab, so this port number table delete this entry. Okay. Now successfully deleted. Now after some times, Gopi will say, sir, I want to reach one more website. And now, which one website? Now I am opening a tab number 3, and I am saying I want to do free antivirus download. Clear? So in this case, Whenever this user generate data, again generate na brother. Whenever this user again generate data, so which one is my source port number? Anyone know? Which one is my source port number?
27.
Source is 1027.
Which one port number is remaining now?
1027.
1027, not a 25, because 25 is already
Yes.
used.
Used,
After
yeah.
recycle, then we can use. And destination is 21. And now again maintain one more entry, tab number 3, and source is 1027. Destination is 21, and which
21.
service?
FTP.
FTP.
Very, very good. This thing is clear. So how many layers we done? Presentation or session?
Session.
Okay. Transport layer theory only we discuss. Only theory, short theory. Layer number 4 and name is transport layer. Clear? Okay. What is the meaning of transport? Neil, loyal Gopi. Transport means in your real life. Transport means
Going from one place to another.
another place. Very good. So basically this layer is same as it is. It will be responsible to transfer data from source to destination. And one more thing. In this layer, data transfer via 2 protocols. Clear? One more thing. In this layer, data slicing. Slicing means chopping your data. Slicing also done. Clear? So basically 3 things we need to done. Which one is protocol and how to transfer data via protocols, and what is the meaning of slicing. So anyone know protocol means in your real life protocol? If you are making some rules, yes or no? So protocol means set of
Setup rules.
only rules. If you are going college, so college time is fixed, school time is fixed, office time is fixed. So that means it's a rule. Clear? So basically if you are using some protocol, so some rules is always follow. Now, how many types protocol we are getting actually? Basically, we are getting a 2 types of protocol. First protocol name is, which one name? Reliable. And second protocol name is
Unreliable.
unreliable protocol. So what is the difference in between 2 protocols? We need to discuss short theory. So write down the theory part first. A reliable protocol. Okay. This protocol, whenever client used to forward or receive data, then if client receive data, then must be sent back, acknowledge, and which one message here?
Reply.
Reply. Okay. Acknowledge means how much data receive, and reply means successfully receive without any error. Clear? Now one more thing. Reliable protocol, also known as a TCP protocol. Which one, dear? TCP. TCP means transmission control protocol. And one more thing. It's always reliable. Why? This protocol provide data delivery guarantee. Which one guaranteed here? Data delivery. Your destination person must be received. Clear? Now one more thing. Whenever device is use TCP protocol, then always add TCP information in data. That means devices always use TCP header. Okay, loyal Neil Gopi. Are you using Flipkart, Amazon, any online shopping website, eBay? Yes.
Amazon.
Yeah. If you are using, that means very good. If you order some things from online shopping, so must be provide the information of you can say address, email, name, landmark, contact number, yes or no, pin codes, these things. So whenever data use TCP, so TCP also add TCP header. TCP header will carry some information. Clear? And actually TCP header size also available. TCP header size. TCP header size is 20 byte. How many bytes, dear? 20 byte. In a 1 byte, how many bits available? Anyone know?
8.
8 bits. Very good. That means in 20 bytes, how many bits available actually?
160.
160 bits. It's a smaller size or large size data?
It's
Large
large.
size. Okay. Now, TCP protocol features also provide. Which one feature? First feature name is, it's a connection oriented feature. Then second is sequencing. Third is reply. You can say third is data flow. Fourth is reply process. And fifth is acknowledge. If any protocol using a acknowledge, that means reliable. Clear? So any doubt for reliable protocol? Any issue? Any query? You can ask me, no worry. If you don't have, so we can move to next protocol. Next protocol is which one? Any idea? Next protocol name? Anyone?
Unreliable.
Unreliable. Second is unreliable protocol. What is the meaning of unreliable? Whenever client or device trying to send and receive data via unreliable protocol, if device receive data or send, then never forward, or you can say wait for reply and acknowledge message. Clear? So it's not a guaranteed delivery. And one more thing, unreliable protocol means a UDP protocol. UDP means user datagram protocol. And one more thing, it's a data delivery, not a guarantee. Okay. One more thing, if user or device send data, never wait for reply and acknowledge. If device use UDP protocol, then attach with the data UDP header. Clear? And one more thing, UDP header size is 8 byte. So how many bits available? 8 byte means, dear? How many bits?
64.
64. Which one is a smaller or which one is large amount of header? TCP or UDP? Which one?
TCP.
TCP is large and UDP is small. Clear? Now, UDP protocol feature, connectionless no sequencing, no reply, no acknowledge, no data delivery guarantee. But always send and receive fast data. Clear? This thing is clear, dear? Any issue?
No.
Okay. Go through this small video. Tomorrow we discuss transport layer, both protocol. Tomorrow we discuss network layer, data and physical also. And then OSI is complete. Okay? Any issue? Loyal, Neil, Gopi?
No.
Any doubt, dear? Go through this small video. Step by step we follow OSI model because this one is very important part. Okay? Are you receiving the now? Can you please verify? Transport layer, how many type protocol we discussed?
Two.
Two protocols, TCP and UDP. Yes or no? So right now, if someone says, I'm using reliable protocol, that means reliable means we are using TCP and we are using a TCP protocol. That means how many features available? Connection oriented, sequencing, data flow, reply and acknowledge. Basically UDP also a protocol, but UDP call it's an unreliable protocol. Why? Whenever user send data, whenever user receive data, so never send back any reply or acknowledge. That means sender never get any information, destination person receive or not receive. Clear? In UDP protocol, we are getting a features. It's a connectionless, no sequencing, no reply, no acknowledge. Data delivery is guaranteed in UDP. No, but via UDP protocol, your data traffic will be processed quickly. Yes or no? Because UDP header size is how many bytes? UDP protocol header size 8 bytes and TCP 20 bytes. You can verify UDP header size 8 byte and TCP header size is 20 byte. So that is the reason. Okay. So basically today we discussed first a TCP protocol features. Which one protocol features, dear? TCP protocol features. Okay, give me 1 second now. So write down TCP protocol features. Which one is first feature, dear? Which one is first feature? Which one? First feature name is connection oriented. Okay. Why we use connection oriented feature? So only clear first line. Whenever device trying sending a data, or you can say whenever device trying to communicate. Clear? There's two things. Then device is also you can say device before doing any process, first process will do three-way handshake process. Which one process we do first? Three-way handshake process. If you are sending data, if you're trying to communicate, so first we do three-way handshake process. So what is the meaning of three-way handshake process? For example, this side we are getting a user. This user name is Bob. And this side we are getting a one more user. Its name Sam. So both are connected with which one connectivity? This one, wired or wireless? Anyone know?
Wired.
Wired.
Oh, very good, very good. Now, Bob say, brother, I want to send some data. But Bob say, if I'm using a data and via TCP protocol, if I'm sending, so this Bob user will do first three-way handshake process. Which one three-way? Bob say, I'm sending first message. In this message, Bob say, I want to set up a communication with you. Bob say, I want to set up a communication with you. So this one is my first message. This one is my first message. And now second message. Whenever Sam receive this message, Sam send back one more message. Okay. Okay means I'm receive your data. I'm receive your message. And after okay, inside okay message, one more message forward. Start your communication. Which one message we are sending? Start your communication. So can you please verify, brother? Bob say, I want to set up a communication. And Sam say, okay, I'm received. So that means this message, reply message, we are successfully received. But start your communication message, Sam can be possible to receive reply. Yes. Whenever Bob receive this message, okay, start your communication. Bob say, okay. Okay means my first message reply I'm received. And now Sam say, start your communication. So Bob say, okay, now we can start. So how many steps this process will complete? Verify.
3.
How many steps?
3.
1, 2, and then 3. So it's called three-way handshake process. But this one is non-technical. Now we discuss technical. In real time, this process will happen every time whenever we are using a TCP protocol. Now, this one is wired connection. Now, basically, if we are using, brother, TCP protocol, so in TCP protocol header, inside header, we are getting some field. Clear? Inside field, we are getting some flags. If you know, if you are going for if you are watching a race, so we are getting a flag. If you win, so flag will be available. So same in TCP header, also we are getting some flags. These flags will define process. We are getting 6 type of flags. We discuss later this flags information deeply, but right now 6 flags available: sync, acknowledge, fin, push, reset, urgent pointer. Clear? So basically sync means I want to synchronize. Synchronize means both devices same information will receive possible. Acknowledge means how much data we receive. Fin means close your session. Push means sending your data. Reset means if you refresh your Windows, so process will be again start. Urgent pointer means prioritization. Which type of data traffic first go? Voice traffic or normal data traffic? So you can do. Okay, this flag, if we are getting a 1 bit, that means we are using. That means we are using means on. If we are getting a flag is 0. 0 means we are not using. That means flag is off, not in use right now. So basically in this condition, Bob say I am using some data via application and I want to send Bob to Sam, but we are using TCP. So Bob say my first message is synchronize. Synchronize means I want to set up a communication with you. And now whenever Sam receive this message, so Sam send back which one message, dear? Acknowledge. That means I am successfully received your data traffic or communication message. Clear? And after acknowledge, inside acknowledge, one more message build. It's called synchronize. Sam say, okay, I'm sending acknowledge message. That means I'm received. And I'm also sending synchronization message. I also want to start my communication. That condition, Bob say, okay, my first synchronization acknowledge is successfully received. And now Bob say, I'm sending acknowledge message. For which one? for same synchronization message. Clear? So how many steps process again complete? Verify.
3.
1, 2, and then 3. So whenever we are using a TCP protocol, so TCP protocol every time, which one process will follow first before sending data, before doing any communication? Which one process follow? Three-way handshake process. Clear? Now, one more thing. Second feature. First feature is clear, connection oriented. Now second feature. Second feature name is sequencing. Which one feature, dear? Sequencing. Sequencing also very easy. Whenever devices want to send, receive data traffic, then check. Okay. MTU size. Anyone know? If this one is PC, so how many option available to forward your data traffic on another PC side? How many option available? How many way to forward your data?
Wired and wireless.
Wired and wireless, USB. USB also option, na? Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
If I'm using wired or wireless, so basically wired or wireless connection we can get from network interface card. Yes or no? So network interface card, every network interface card having a MTU size. Which one size, dear? MTU size. Clear? This MTU size will define device how many size data send or receive. So basically one more thing you can say, MTU means maximum transfer unit. Clear? One more thing, MTU available on which one location, dear? NIC card. NIC card means network interface card. MTU. By default, 1500 byte a size. How many MTU size, dear? 1500 bytes. MTU. Already 20 byte reserved for IP information. Clear? One more thing, MTU. So how many size data now we can possible to process or receive? After 1500 minus 20, how much data?
1480.
Clear? If I am using TCP, so again minus 20. Yes or no? No. One more thing. For example, this one is user Bob. This one is user Sam. Now, Bob, this interface, this NIC card MTU size is actually MTU size is 1500 byte, but after receive IP, we are getting how many size of MTU? 1480. This one also MTU size is 1500 bytes. And this interface actually, how many after minus 20 for IP? How many bytes?
1480.
1480. Now, Bob say, brother, I want to send data. But Bob, actually data size is how many bytes?
2000.
So via single box, this cable, this interface possible to send?
No.
No. This interface possible to receive?
No.
So in this case, Bob in backend, if using with data, which one protocol? TCP. So this data we are getting a which one task here? Which one task? Slicing. Slicing means how much data in single box we can travel via this port? How much data we can travel? 1480. And how many data remaining after minus this data from 2000? How many data remaining?
520. 520.
Very good. But can you please verify this both data via single box or multiple box? We are getting a single packet, yes or no? So in this case, this 1480520, a sequence number is how many, dear? Sequence number is how many? One. Because both data traffic will belong from single. Now, but which one is my first slicing part? 1480 or 520 is my first part slicing? Which one is first box? 148. So this one is ID number 1. This one ID number is 2. Now, Bob will possible to transmit and Sam possible to receive. Sam say, brother, I am receiving your data 520 first, and then after I am receiving 1480. This one is sequence number 1, ID number is 2. This one is sequence number is 1, ID number is 1. Clear? Any doubt? Now, can you please verify? Bob say, brother, please send me acknowledge. How much data? 2000 bytes. Please send me acknowledge for how many bytes data? 2000 bytes. Sam say, brother, wait. I am receiving first data 520, then I am receiving 1480. How to say this both packet belong from single? How to say? So in this condition, Sam will verify both the data. How many sequence number, dear? Same or different?
Same.
Same. So in this condition, Sam say I am doing one task. Which one, dear? Which one task?
Reassembly.
Reassembling. Reassembling means Sam will say, okay, my first data 1480 with sequence 1. ID number is 1. And then 520 sequence 1. ID number is 2. Now, after combine this one, Sam will send back how much data acknowledged here? 2000 easily. Any issue for this thing?
No.
Sequencing? No. Third task. Third task is flow control. Flow control is also very simple. Whenever device trying to can you hear me? Loyal, Neil, Gopi.
Yes.
Okay. Whenever device trying to process data in buffer memory, then check flow control method. In this method, device check how much packets can process within a second. Okay. If you're having a mobile phone, so some mobile phones, if you open multiple application, so we are getting a processing is slow automatically. Yes or no? But some mobile phone, if open multiple application, we are not getting any impact. processing. How it possible? Because device having a processing plus a buffer memory. Buffer memory means a cache memory, temporary memory, a higher size. Clear? So flow control is very simple. For example, this side we are getting a username is Bob. This side we are getting a username is Sam. And both are connected. But right now Bob say this interface, actually someone set MTU size is how many bytes dear? Manually, how many bytes? 200 bytes. This one interface, someone set, network engineer, how many bytes MTU size? Topic name is inter-networking devices. If you're working as a network engineer, so inside enterprise network, or you can say production network, or you can say data center, ISP sites, we are getting a multiple types of networking devices, not a PC, not a laptop, printer. This one is not a networking devices. This one is we are calling end devices. Clear? So which one is my networking devices? Any idea? Anyone? How many types networking devices available? Any idea? So first device is we are getting hub. Second device we are getting a bridge. Third device we are getting a switch. Fourth device we are getting a router. And fifth device we are getting firewall. And sixth device we are getting a gateway concept. And seventh device we are getting a repeater. Eighth device we are getting which one? Access points. Anyone know access point, why we are using access points? To connect wireless connectivities. Clear? Right now in CCNA we discuss hub, bridge, switch, router, gateway, repeater, firewall as well, and access point as well. This topic you can learn deeply in firewall section. This topic you can learn in wireless control section. Clear? Right now this one is not a part of CCNA. If you're learning a firewall, so you can get deeply knowledge about the firewall. If you are learning a Wi-Fi wireless controller, so you can easily get the access point topic. Clear? Now, next topic. So basically, I think last time we discussed OSI model. Okay, if I am asking in OSI model, which one is my layer one? Anyone know layer one name? Loyal, Neil, Gopi?
Physical.
Physical. Very good. If I am saying which one is my layer three?
Network.
Network. Very good. If I am saying which one is my layer two?
Data link.
Data link. Very good. If I am saying which one is my layer four?
Session.
Again verify layer four.
Transport.
Transport. If I am saying layer 7,
Application.
Application.
application. I am calling a layer 5, then
Presentation.
Session.
layer
Session layer.
Session.
If
Session.
I am saying layer 6,
Layer
Presentation.
6 is presentation.
presentation. Very good. I think everyone know if I am saying, if I am using session layer, so which type of things we are doing? Connectivity check. Yes or no? If I am
Yes.
saying, if I am working on network layer, so which type of information? IP addresses. If I am saying transport layer, so we add which one information dear?
Protocol.
Protocols.
If I'm using physical layer, so which one information? Bits. If I'm using data link, so which one information available?
Media.
I get
MAC
this.
Mahalo.
Presentation layer is which one thing responsibility? Data. Application why we use? To generate
Data.
data. Very good. So networking device also related with OSI model. Clear? Now, first, before doing any other things, must be clear one point. If we are using Ethernet cable, so this Ethernet cable we are plugging into my NIC card. Anyone know which one is which one is my NIC card in my laptop? You can say LAN adapter. You can say my
Ethernet
WAN adapters.
one.
Okay. This adapters having duplex information. Which one, dear? Duplex information. So we are getting two types of duplex. One is my half, one is my full. So we are getting a half duplex, we are getting full duplex. A very easy example. For example, this side one user, this side another user. This side we are sitting above, this side user sitting same. And both are connected with a wired connection. If you're having a wireless, so no worry, also available because WAN also cover na. LAN or WAN both are covered. Now, Bob said this interface is my half duplex. So if Bob having a half duplex and whenever Bob send data, so it's a possible to send data. But at the time, if Sam say I also sending data for Bob. So in this case, this half duplex link say only one process can done
At the time.
at same time. Which one process done? Only one process.
One.
If you want to send, so you can send. If you want to receive, only receive, not sending then. Okay. If I am saying this side, same user say I'm running a which one duplex, dear?
Full.
Full. So Sam say I'm receiving your data and I'm also sending your data.
Ending.
So that means full duplex means both
You can
process
receive and send.
can done at same time. So in this case, communication is possible with half duplex to full duplex. If Bob say I want to send data, okay. If Sam say I want to send data, so communication is possible in between Bob or Sam.
Yes,
No.
possible.
No, Bob sending data, Sam also sending data. So Bob possible to send at a one time only, but Bob also trying to receive your data. So in this case,
Yeah, you
we are
can't do
getting
both.
which one error? Mismatch
Mismatch.
duplex error. If you are getting a mismatch duplex error, so communication is never done. Okay, so you need to change always. Now one more thing. So
One second. So you mean in this case, if Bob is having half duplex and Sam is having full duplex,
half
will
duplex
cause-
will stuck. Half duplex will stuck, not doing any process because sending data and also receiving. So in this case, this half duplex interface is stuck, no data communication.
So you mean in this case, both they need to be full
You
duplex.
need to remove the cable, you need to shut down or no shut down your device, then again you can transmit your data.
Or in this case, put both of them full duplex.
If both duplex, so both duplex, that means full duplex means both can do send or receive at the same time.
At the same time, okay.
Now, first device is which one? Hub. For hub, first point, it's called a physical layer device. Which one layer device? Physical, or you can say it's called layer 1 device. Layer 1 device means it's work on physical layer. It's work on physical layer and read only layer 1 information. Anyone know layer 1 which information available? Which information available in
01
bits? So we are having any identification field? No. Hub don't have identification field on layer 1. Yes or no? Which
Yeah,
one
that's
is?
right.
Which one? Sender or which one? A receiver. Clear? Now one more thing. Hub called half duplex device. Which one device, dear? Half duplex. One more thing. Hub called plug and play device. Which one? Plug and play. One more thing. Hub number of ports we are getting 2, 4 or 6. If you are having a 20 user, so single hub possible to connect? No. Only 2, 4, 6 port available. Na? Hub don't have GUI CLI option to manage. So that is the reason we are calling plug and play device. Clear? Neil, copy, Loyal, this thing is clear?
Yes.
Okay, one more thing. One more thing you need to remember. How to identify hub. If you are getting a picture in your notebook, in your books, this kind of single arrow. Single arrow device means it's a hub. Single arrow device means it's a hub. For example, we are using hub in my network. So this side we are connected user 1 10.4 MAC address is D. This side we are connected with a 10.3. It's a MAC is C. This side we are connected with one more user 10.1 MAC is A. This side we are connected one more user 10.2 MAC address is B. This one is port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4. This kind of ports available inside the hub, but all ports connected with this type. Can you please verify? All ports connected with this type. So in this case, what will be happen now? For example, if PC1 say, this PC1 say I want to communicate with PC3. So communication is possible? Yeah, possible.
Yes.
But how communication will process? This user will
Broadcast.
generate data. 10.1 will generate data and add layer 2 information. On layer 2, source MAC, destination MAC. And one more information add, layer 3, source IP, destination IP. So source MAC is A, source IP is 10.1, destination IP is 10.3, MAC address is, you know. Now, this data PC generate and forward hub side. Hub read which one layer, dear? Hub read which one layer? Layer 1. On layer 1 hub say, okay, I'm receiving into data 010101. So in this identification field, any idea which one is sender, which one is receiver you want to communicate? No. So hub get confusion.
No.
Hub get confusion and hub say, okay, this port connected with this side, and this side. So single data forward, how many user side?
3.
3.
3 user side. So that is the reason we are getting a security issue. And hub always forward data all users. So we are getting issues. And one more issue available. For example, in this case 10.4 want to communicate with 10.2 and 10.4 also sending some data. So hub receive and this port possible to do data sending or data receiving at a time?
No.
No. So
It
hub
will
this
doubly.
port will stuck. If this port is stuck, so this port connected with this side is stuck. This side communication is stuck.
3
This
again.
one
Yeah.
is stuck. All users communication will be stopped.
Stuck.
So that is the reason hub collapse in market. Right now in your network, hub is available? No. Now second device. second device name is a bridge. It's called layer 2 device. Layer 2 device means it's work on which one layer? Data link layer. Okay, one more thing. It's a send, receive data on the basis of which one information? Which one information? MAC. Clear? We are getting a MAC inside which one information, dear? Frames. One more thing. Bridge called which one device, dear?
Full duplex.
Full duplex. One more thing. Bridge number of ports. How many only? 2.
Two.
Bridge called plug and play device. One more thing. Bridge don't have GUI CLI option to manage. Clear? One more thing. Bridge maintain a temporary which one table, dear? Which one table? MAC address table. Okay, if someone says, sir, how to identify in books which one is bridge? So trying is not good for me, but I will try. This kind of device you are calling a bridge. Okay. Now, if we are getting a bridge in my network, and this bridge connected with this side user 1, and this side user 2, port number 1, port number 2, PC1, 10.1A, 10.2B. Any option available on bridge to connect multiple devices? No, only 2 ports. Now, in this case, if I am saying this PC1 say I want to communicate with PC2, and bridge say, brother, I am maintaining which one table, dear? Which one table? MAC address table. This bridge say I am maintaining MAC address table, but temporary for short time duration. In MAC address table, bridge maintain first which one information, dear? A group number, and then MAC address, then maintain interface number, then maintain type field. Type field means a way of learning MAC. We can learn MAC address via manually, we can learn via automatically. Now, by default, bridge all interfaces. Member of which group? A group number 1. Which one group member, dear? Group 1. Now, whenever PC1 say I want to communicate with PC2, so PC1 generate which one traffic, dear? Data. And data at layer 2 source MAC A, destination MAC B, layer 3 source IP, destination IP 10.1, 10.2. Now, bridge receive on this port, bridge receive and read which one layer, dear? By default, bridge possible to read which one layer? Anyone know?
Sorry, what's the question here?
Bridge read which layer?
Layer 2.
Layer 2. On layer 2, which one is source?
A.
So bridge say in group 1, A MAC on port number 1, and way of learning automatic. And this user trying to communicate with B user. But bridge forward this side automatic, because only group 1, 2 members available, and this user will receive because destination is 10.2. Whenever this PC2 forward reply, so generate data. Inside data, PC2 forward layer 2 source MAC, destination MAC, and forward layer 3 source IP, destination IP. Now, Source MAC is B, destination MAC is A, source IP is 10.2, destination is 10.1. So whenever this port number 2 receive data, so bridge again learn group 1, B MAC, port number 2, and way of learning is dear automatic. This table maintain for short time duration, but anyone know which type of issues in bridge? So that is the reason we are not using in production network. Anyone know which type of issues? Why we are not using a bridge in real time? Any idea?
The data is or the information is not routable. There's
Huh?
no route. You cannot route it.
First issue, if someone asking, no management via GUI or CLI, plug and play device. Second, number of ports dear, limited. Third issue is which one? Data forward received on the basis of which one layer dear? Layer 2. Okay. If I am saying this port doing both process, port number 1, sending, receiving, then possible to do bridge called full duplex or half duplex?
Full duplex.
Full duplex.
So possible or not possible?
Possible.
Possible.
Possible. Very good, very good. Now,
But question for you, can you go back to the drawing? You mentioned that it will generate data and it will go to the layer 2 MAC address, destination MAC address, and there's layer 3. But how come the bridge operates on layer 2, not layer 3?
yes, bridge work on layer 2.
So why you put in the diagram?
Layer 3. Why I'm putting a layer 3?
Yeah. Yes.
Because in data you are sending complete information, na brother? But bridge need only layer 2. So bridge read only layer 2 source MAC. This one.
Yes,
This
that's
one.
right.
So basically in my data all layer information is available, but bridge capable only read to which one layer?
Layer 2.
Layer 2. So I will show layer 2 plus layer 3, but bridge read only layer 2.
Yeah, you mean assuming that there's on the top of that there's another
Yes,
switch
we
which-
always add every information. Always add. That is the reason we can say I know the destination.
Oh, okay.
Now, one more thing. Now, third number of device is which one? Switch. Okay, basically first clear. Switch we are getting a 2 types. One is my
Manageable and unmanageable.
manageable, unmanageable. Okay, what is the difference in between manageable switch and unmanageable switch? Basically, unmanageable means which one device dear?
Plug and play.
Plug and play device. No management possibilities. Clear?
Yeah.
Third thing, only provide multiple ports to get connectivity. Okay. Now, next device is which one? Manageable, na? Management possible via GUI.
Yeah.
Via which one option dear? CLI. Second thing, provide multiple connectivity. Third thing, depends on vendor, provide GUI CLI option to manage. Clear? If your vendor is providing GUI option, so you can access. Not providing, so not possible. Now one more thing. So we read which one switch only? Manageable. Now one more thing. In manageable switch, we are getting first. Which one switch here? Layer 2 switch. Then we are getting a which one switch? Neil?
Layer
Like-
3 switch as well. Yeah.
Layer 3 switch. What is the difference?
This one data link and the other one layer 3.
This switch work on only layer 2. This switch only support switching protocols. Let's work on layer 2. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Layer 3 switch. This switch work on by default layer 2. Loyal, Neil, Gopi, can you give me 5 minutes?
Okay.
Okay, hold on.